In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create zoom through text intro in Canva, 5 minutes. First, log into Canva and start a new video project. Pick the canvas size that matches your final video, like 16.9 for YouTube, so everything lines up later. On the blank page, open Elements and drop in a square shape. Change its color to black and resize it to almost fill the canvas, leaving a tiny margin so it frames the scene. Now add your title text in white on top. Center it both horizontally and vertically, and choose a heavy, bold font like Anton. Big, chunky letters make the zoom feel smooth and dramatic. Download this page as an image. If you have Canva Pro, choose PNG and turn on transparent background, so only the white text remains. If you're on the free plan, download as JPG. We'll remove the black later using Canva's background remover. Back on page 1, delete the black square and the text so the page is empty again. Go to Uploads or Videos, pick your background clip, and stretch it to cover the entire page. This clip is what we'll reveal as we zoom through the letters. Duplicate the page to create page 2. On the second page, upload and add the image you downloaded earlier. If you used a JPG, click Edit Image and use Background Remover to isolate the text so it sits cleanly above the video. With that cutout selected, open Position. In the width or height field, type a very large number like 10,000, then press center and middle. Canva will scale the text far beyond the frame, but keep it perfectly aligned, which sets up the motion path. To create the actual zoom through, reduce the text layer's transparency to 0% on the second page. Now between the two pages, click Add Transition and choose Match and Move. This tells Canva to animate from the small, opaque text on page 1 to the huge, invisible text on page 2, creating the effect of flying through the letters into your background video. Adjust the transition duration to around 2 seconds and fine-tune the speed to taste. Preview your sequence. If the move feels too fast, slow it down, or try a heavier font for a cleaner edge. That's it. You've built a crisp zoom-through text intro in Canva in just a few minutes.